December 4, 2022, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn put on a nightly display during the evening. Support the Abrams Planetarium Sky Calendar. Saturn in the Abrams Planetarium Blacklight Gallery. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 7:02 a.m. CST, sunset, 4:20 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Today's sunset time is the earliest of the year. This continues through the 14th. Support the Abrams Planetarium Sky Calendar. Major sky events for each month are portrayed in a traditional calendar format. Daily panels or blended panels show the visibility of bright planets and the moon. The publication includes an evening star map showing the prominent stars and planets. Robert C. Victor, retired staff astronomer at the Planetarium, originated the Abrams Planetarium monthly sky calendar in October 1968, and still produces issues occasionally, including the December 2022 issue. He enjoys being outdoors sharing the wonders of the night sky. Subscribe for $12 per year, starting anytime, from Sky Calendar, Abrams Planetarium, Michigan State University, 755 Science Road, East Lansing, Michigan 48824. To view a sample issue, visit www.abramsplanetarium.org/skycalendar/. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Chart caption, 2022, December 4th, Mars is in the western sky before sunrise. Bright Mars is lower in the west each morning. An hour before sunup, find it about 15 degrees up in the west-northwest. It is 6.3 degrees below Elnath, the Bull's northern horn, and 10.6 degrees to the upper right of Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star, about 6 degrees above the horizon. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, December, a sky calendar blended panel showing the moon and planets after sundown. Venus and Mercury continue their slow crawl into the evening sky, setting after the sun. Venus sets 38 minutes after sunset and Mercury follows 10 minutes later. For those wanting a view of the two planets, they begin to appear in the western sky in a few evenings during brighter evening twilight. An hour after sundown, the bright gibbous moon, 90% illuminated, is 1/3 of the way up in the east-southeast, nearly halfway from bright Jupiter to Mars that is low in the east-northeast. Saturn is 1/3 of the way up in the south-southwest. The sky calendar panel above shows the moon compared to the star field and the planets during several nights this month. Tomorrow evening the moon and planet Uranus appear in the same binocular field of view. At 2.5 hours after sundown, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are nicely placed in the sky. Jupiter is over halfway up in the south. Saturn is in the southwest, about 20 degrees above the horizon. Mars is about the same height above the horizon as the ringed wonder, in the east. The moon is higher than Mars, to the red planet's upper right. This planet display is occurring earlier each evening. With Mercury and Venus soon entering a darker evening sky, look for the 5 bright planets in a simultaneous display with the moon beginning in 20 days. At 8:52 p.m. CST, Jupiter's great red spot is visible in the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere through a telescope. The planet is in a favorable location to see the spot through telescopes across the Americas. The spot is visible for about 2 hours during the planet's rapid rotation for nearly an hour before and after the prime time. The rotation brings the spot into view, crossing the center of the planet, and then disappearing around the other side.